Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to be repairing my rear bumper trim pieces, and it's a pretty simple thing to do, so I'm gonna not talk for the rest of the video. So here we go! And here is the end result. I couldn't quite get the deeper scratches out. I didn't want to sand too much down. But compared to what it was before, I'm very happy with how it came out. So this was a very quick and easy project. And so if you have fading trims or damaged trims, I highly recommend to do this. And I am still getting some parts ready for the keyless entry project. It turns out the remote is kind of hard to find, or harder to find than I thought, and a lot more expensive than I hoped. But I'm still looking and trying to get parts so I can continue this project, so please stay tuned for that. But that's all I have for this video. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.